Welcome to Dubai, where the future is rising from the sands. Join us on a journey through the city's upcoming mega projects, where innovation meets ambition in a skyline that knows no limits. From towering skyscrapers to visionary urban developments, witness the bold visionaries shaping tomorrow's landscape, one groundbreaking project at a time. These are the crazy mega structures planned to be constructed in Dubai. Let's start with the Moon Resort. The project's creative geniuses, Sandra G. Matthews and Michael R. Henderson, have created an eye-catching design for a 224-meter-tall raised spherical resort. This extraordinary project, which is expected to be constructed in 4 different locations worldwide, will cost $5 billion and will attempt to encapsulate the spirit of a lunar adventure. This innovative resort project, called Moon Resort, is characterized by an alluring spherical form that encloses a hotel and an appealing lunar-themed attraction. The resort's opulence is shown on a 3-level circular podium, 2 of which are cleverly used for the moon surface experience. The 224-meter-tall building will be encased within the world's largest sphere, which will have a moon-like exterior decoration. This circular form would be built using a steel structure that resembles the ones made famous by American architect Richard Buckminster Fuller. To power the resort, solar panels would be installed, and the sphere would be covered in carbon fiber material. Additionally, a 20-story hotel with a lunar experience atop would resemble the moon's surface and include a lunar colony, which will be located within the sphere. Henderson and Matthews founded Moon World Resorts organization to license this moon concept and intend to build one resort in each North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. By 2027, the organization hopes to have completed construction on the first resort in Dubai. Our second futuristic marvel is the Sandstorm Absorbent Skyscraper. An inventive architectural solution called the Sandstorm Absorbent Skyscraper was created to address the regular sandstorms that desert cities like Dubai face. The structures, which are made up of 25 skyscrapers spaced along Dubai's main route, have a modern glass design that rises from the ground and houses vital amenities in the center. They are works of technical marvels, but they also offer sustainable and secure sanctuary from the sandstorms. 2 functional chambers that are carefully built to harness windpipes and artificial magnetic fields are included in the towers. The clever mix prioritizes the comfort of occupants by efficiently absorbing dirt particles while maintaining ideal pressure and suction. The end result is the highest level of safety combined with perfect harmony. As the sandstorm enters the building's facilities, its electrical charge discharges in a sustained cycle. After that, the cleaned dirt is sent to separate steel silos with heat transfer pipes at the foot of the towers. The heat transferring pipes, which are powered by solar panels, raise the temperature of the sand to 600 degrees Celsius, generating thermal batteries that store and deliver energy to the surrounding buildings and towers. This removes the requirement for traditional electricity sources by guaranteeing continuous operation for several months. Apart from withstanding sandstorms, the towers have other uses. While the middle zones offer cozy residential rooms, the lower floors offer lively public spaces. At the top, state-of-the-art research facilities and big labs are devoted to the study of sandstorms and the development of future technologies that seek to mitigate natural occurrences. This massive project aims to protect Dubai 2030 against dust and sandstorms. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay in touch with all the mega projects happening in the world. Moving forward to the famous Downtown Circle. The ambitious Downtown Circle megastructure, a tall building shaped to surround the famous Burj Khalifa in central Dubai, was conceived by the creative minds of ZN-era Architecture Company. At 500 meters high and 3,000 meters in circumference, the Downtown Circle skyscraper is designed to consist of 2 interlocking primary rings. These rings will have numerous functionalities. They will include residential units, public spaces, business areas, and artistic features. These components' smooth incorporation into the building should result in a lively and colorful urban setting that enhances Dubai's bustling landscape. ZN-era refers to Downtown Circle as a continuous metropolis and thinks it will help address Dubai's rapidly increasing urbanization and population. The mixed-use tower would be divided into smaller sections for research centers, residences, offices, and flats. A green layer, which would be positioned between the rings, is referred to by the studio as the tower's green lung. Residents would be able to travel across waterfalls, waterways, sand, and canyons in the sky park. It would be intended to promote a healthy outdoor lifestyle and foster a connection between people and the environment. Also, a transportation system around the megastructure's periphery would be built consisting of rapid trains to link people throughout the city and make travel through the structure rapid and efficient. The estimated cost of this megaproject is $10 billion, with completion anticipated by 2040. Our next crazy megastructure is the Loop. The Loop is a brilliant idea envisioned by URB, a cutting-edge architecture company. It is an enclosed pathway made specifically for city cycling and pedestrian traffic. The goal of this creative idea is to encourage Dubai's 3 million residents to use more health-conscious modes of transportation instead of their cars. The Loop's design is remarkable for including a Hyperloop line, which enhances its connectivity and potential influence. The project's main objective was underlined by URB CEO Baharash Bagarian that the Loop would be built to make Dubai the most connected city in the world through walking and cycling. This large-scale project demonstrates URB's dedication to transforming urban transportation and promoting a livelier, more sustainable cityscape. When constructed, the 93-kilometer building would include a dynamic floor that would release energy when stepped on and be enclosed in a glass tube. The studio has also unveiled renderings of the Loop that feature water pools and plants inside the serpentine structure, which is supposed to be climate-controlled. URB claims that a seismic shift would be necessary to encourage Dubai's citizens to replace their automobiles with bikes. According to the studio, every successful endeavor should thus acknowledge the requirement for infrastructure that meets the demands of the people. With the help of this initiative, Dubai will surpass Amsterdam and Copenhagen as the world's most bike-friendly metropolis by 2040. Finally, this futuristic endeavor, the Symbiotic Towers. The residential hotel and office towers that make up Amorpho Studios' Symbiotic Towers will be located in Jumeirah Gardens, Dubai. At ground level, a 2-story pedestrian retail plaza will connect these skyscrapers. This connected plaza will have 2 different environments that may be changed according to the season. The first area, called the lower deck, will consist of a sumptuous, semi-shaded garden with trees and water features that provide pleasant areas for social gatherings in the hot summer months. Located at the level of the natural terrain, walkers may easily reach this refuge from any direction. The second section of the design has a long deck with holes in it that slowly slopes uphill from both sides of the location. As a result, ramps link the lower oasis to the elevated plaza. Additionally, creative photovoltaic umbrellas are placed within some apertures at the top of tree-like structures. These umbrellas capture solar radiation and transform it into electricity to run the bottom oasis level's cross-ventilation system. This well-thought-out strategy, along with the 2 advantages of shaded upper deck and dense flora, come together to create an environment that is both livable and microclimatic. Because of this, the area provides a cool sanctuary during Dubai's hotter months, with a carefully considered architecture that reduces severe heat. What do you think about Dubai's future mega projects? Will they be able to construct them and turn the city into a futuristic marvel?